Well, after you're arrested in Texas, likely going to happen is you will be sent to a jail. You're going to be booked, and you're going to wait for a while to see a magistrate judge, who then is going to set bond. After that bond is set, you contact your family, a bondsperson, to go bond you out. Typically, a bond is going to cost 10% of the bond amount to bail you out. Once you're out, you hire a criminal defense attorney, or a criminal defense attorney is appointed to you to defend you in court. If you are ever arrested or you're going to be questioned by the police, my advice is to contact a lawyer, to let the police officer, law enforcement agent know that you need your lawyer and that you're not going to talk. So in essence, don't ever talk to anyone without an attorney present. If you've been arrested and you're going to be bailed out, which means somebody's going to pay your bond to have you released, many times there are conditions that are imposed upon that release. One, you can't leave the county, and I'm just giving some general examples. You can't leave the county. At times, you may not be able to contact a complaining witness during any time of your release. You may be subject to requirements to, for example, if you've been arrested for DWI, you may be subject to having an interlock ignition in your vehicle, or to blow into a machine to make sure that you're not under the influence when you're driving. So those are some of the conditions that you'll face if you've been arrested, depending on the charge. During your first court appearance, what you can expect is it's typically an arraignment where you're going to go before the judge, and the judge is you're either going to plead guilty or not guilty. Most of the time, during arraignment, you will plead not guilty, and that will begin the process for you or your attorney to begin discussing the facts of the case with the state prosecutor. It's also the opportunity for your attorney to review the evidence and to discuss a plea arrangement with the state's attorney. If you've been arrested and charged with a crime, it's important for you to understand that it is a lengthy process to navigate the criminal justice system. It's not just about you, it's about what the state prosecutor and the courts are going to permit to moving forward. So it's going to be a long process. Be patient and communicate with your attorney. If you or a loved one have been arrested and you have questions about having them released and what the process entails, contact Roman Law.